Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. For that you need to launch your Phantom Wallet and here on the home page tap on the buy option. After that it will give you some of the options like you can purchase Solana, Ethereum, etc. So since you want to purchase Solana, you just have to tap on Solana. Now enter the amount of Solana that you want to purchase or select the amount of USDT from these presets and it will show you the equivalent amount of Solana that you are going to get. Now by default it will show you the credit or the debit card option, but if you want to change it then tap on the debit or credit card option and then select pay with option. Now you can either select Binance P2P trading, credit or debit card and even Google Pay, and it will also show you the equivalent amount of time that will take in order to purchase the Solana on Phantom Wallet. Now as you can see that for debit and the credit card option it may take less than 10 minutes. So you just have to simply select the payment method of your choice, then press the buy button. Now it will give you a provider. So basically on the website of provider you just have to select the amount again and then you need to select Solana. After that you just have to press the continue button. Now you need to just create your account on this platform. So whichever platform it shows you based on your country, you just have to simply provide your email address there in order to create your account, then provide some of your personal details, and then you just have to simply conclude your payment with the help of the credit and the debit card option. After that, under less than 10 minutes, you will be able to receive your Solana on Phantom Wallet. So basically you will be able to purchase it on Phantom Wallet very easily. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.